Corewell Health says it is limiting visitors to pediatric units at 3 hospitals in Southeast Michigan.
The health system says it's due to a risk in pediatric respiratory illnesses. As Victor Williams shows us, this comes as the holidays are right around the corner.
Well, this is one of the facilities that's going to change the way that people visit the little loved ones at the hospital. It's all because an uptick in respiratory illnesses paired with the high number of children being admitted to several Corewell Health hospitals.
We are seeing a lot of respiratory viruses, especially affecting our youngest patients, infants and young children, especially young toddlers.
Going forward, only 2 visitors will be allowed on the bedside in the pediatric units during the day, and only 1 at night at Corewell Health's Beaumont Hospitals, Dearborn, Royal Oak, and Troy.
A lot of RSV, several other respiratory viruses that are out there. We are not seeing a lot of COVID, and we are also not seeing a lot of influenza just yet.
The new policy only applies to patients under the age of 21 in hopes of making it safer for the children at the facilities. Our own Dr. McGeorge understands with the time of the year.
Every hospital has a different threshold for limiting visitors. There are 2 main issues. First is infection control. If you decrease the number of people in the hospital, you decrease the likelihood of spread of things. But there's also the simple fact that at this time of year, hospitals become busier. And when they become busier, having fewer people around, essentially crowd control, is another important element.
That's why using preventative measures to slow down the spread is crucial to staying safe.
The upcoming holiday season and celebratory gatherings are not going to make the respiratory virus situation any better, so everyone just needs to stay home if they're sick and keep their germs to themselves.
And to take it a step even further, new RSV preventatives have also been approved for children, pregnant women, and also adults over the age of 65. Victor Williams, Local 4.